Oh my gosh. 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 Okay, hello. Welcome to my Shrimpo run. Today we're playing as Shrimpo. I am so close to mastery. I just have to survive 12 floors as Shrimpo. I currently have diary and thinking cap with me. I can explain what they do as commentary while we just very carefully do these skill checks. I know Shrimpo has bad stealth, but the stealth mechanic is actually more like a timer rather than a proximity. Well, it is a proximity thing, but the timer ticks down a lot faster until they get bored of you if you have more stealth, which is why Astro is usually not seen because the timer just ticks down really fast. That and they're more preoccupied with the current one. Since we have the diary with us, the timer will tick down faster unless we do not waste as much stamina. The thinking cap is because Shrimpo's skill check is absolute garbage, and I don't feel like getting found 50 times today. The tapes are nice though. We just have to be really careful while sneaking around these guys. Oh, hold on. Is that even readable? Let's see. Garden View Educational Central is to shut down stores 6/29. 6 is 6 is either the month or the 6 is most likely the month and 29 is the day. Due to recent allegations and lack of safety regulations, little has been revealed following the case of the malfunction, I don't know, verification incident when one of the creators was questioned. Oh shoot. Please. And that is why you get diary. Because look at how fast that was. Don't come over here. Thank you, pastry. No, pastry. How dare you betray me? Look at how fast that is with diary. I would have had to spin a ton. I can just scoop over here again and... Okay, hold on. Malfunction incident when one of the creators, known as Arthur Walton, was questioned on the matter. He chose to remain silent. Discover of a new species that has been silly nature. Okay, tunes are some kind of species, apparently. Oh my gosh. There was a malfunction, most from V. It's an educational center, which is pretty obvious. I had assumed it was more of a daycare or something, but that makes sense for all the books now. Yeah. Oh my gosh, the thing to kill me after I get to floor 12. Nom. Or I find asteroid. I just need research, man. You go over there. I haven't found the last one I need, but I'm likely to find it soon. Okay, but that just brings up more questions. Were they found, or were they made? Why is there posters everywhere? Was it more like a stage play instead of a cartoon? Why are there projectors everywhere if it was a stage play? How tall are they compared to humans? I know you could always say just look at the like handlers photos, but we don't know how their heights vary. It's not like no thank you. It's not like the company would be like, ah yes, let's pick everyone to be 5 feet tall for reasons. My current ongoing theory is that they were found and then the TV series got based off of them. The educational center was created after the TV series was a success. This might not be good. Oh dear, this is very bad. Ow. And ow. Thank you. And because of that, the original creatures that it was based off of had somewhere to go. Either that or all that happened, but they didn't originally find them. And there's some kind of organic thing that just... They're considered species, so they must be organic, I think. I don't think they're robotic, except for V. V might be robotic. We take our merry time. I know we're doing so good. Okay. Okay. I'll take this, and I'm broke. Hopefully we get bandage. Bye. Okay. My main question is why there's so many copies. Are they just... Have we considered that the Twisteds are the actual tunes and we are just children pretending to be the normal tunes? Hmm. I don't know why this child really likes Shrimpo, but I mean, it's possible. Although the voice lines probably discredit it the more I think about it. Where is the other twisted? Please don't come around the corner the second I stop. And I was right. Okay, this is actually getting spooky. Oh my gosh. Please. They're both going that way, so we should probably search around there. Oh my gosh. Just dealt with you. Darn. Gosh, we were so close. We get to like... We're so close. Well, let's see. Looks like we're mastering scraps today. Problem is, we're gonna need multiple people. So, let's see. Is there any runs I can do? There doesn't seem to be any runs on the server, so let's do this again. And we're flutters. What do we need to do to master this guy? We just have to do their ability a few times. So, boop. Increase the manual and wrench. Which should be the only problem. Actually, I could probably swap out wrench for magnifying glass. Okay, let's go. Oh, we got that guy.
Me too, please.
Okay. There's only like 7 tunes I currently own I have to get through. I already read what was in here. Customer's always right. These are children drawings. Like I said, why is it on a picture? Oh, wait. Can't read that. Can't read that. Why is it on a film? That's funny. I hope he's okay. And he's dead. Whoops. Doesn't actually matter because we speed. Oh, I only have to use it like... Probably should have saved that. But excuse me, I've been sick recently. I will probably get done with this tune's mastery within the floor, depending how long this takes. I've been trying to get into Battle for Dream Island. I guess I just keep forgetting to watch it until someone brings up one of the giant cast of characters, and I'm like, oh yeah. And I forget again. Child. Okay, we're gonna run. Oh, perfect. Our stealth is 10. Shrimpo's is minus 99. I feel like the more and more tunes and twisteds get added, the harder the game is gonna get. Because now we have 2 stationary, we have 1 that messes with the machines. They're gonna be a pain in, Connie is gonna be an absolute pain in the butt during blackouts. Pretty sure Louie is just basic twisted speed, except they blink for some reason. They're probably all meant to blink, but they haven't gotten updated yet. Bye-bye. I now have no natural predators. You know what? We're gonna die soon, might as well buy it all. Plus, I like gambling.
My ball is gone.
Oh. I wonder what we got on this floor. Okay, this brings up a question. If this is an educational area, why is there machine manuals everywhere and machines? I guess you do have a slapped on staff only sticker, but one of those was for speed, I think, or stamina. Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, we have box 10. And the feral child. Oh my gosh. I need neither of those guys. What I do need is money. I need to win. Season 3, episode 12. Okay, I think that's the farthest I've seen one of them go. This is obviously a staff area. Why does it have chairs and stuff? I don't know. Hey, look at me. You can get me. Look at you. You got spaghetti arms. Oh, you gotta turn around. You have no idea I'm here. Beong. Oh, he still has no idea. I've been trying to learn a song on piano. I have a feeling it's probably out of my experience range. I'm still trying to do it, but I think I'm starting to hurt my hand from stretching too much. That's a crunchy chocolate bar. The last one guarded by the spaghetti boy. As long as we don't mess up, we should be fine.
Again!
I'm gonna have to move where I am sitting. I can't. Oh dear. We're gonna have to hide now. Dad. Go sleep in your bed.
I am going to fight. Good.
You go to sleep.
I am going to bed. I'm tired. I gotta go to bed.
Go to bed.
Well, where's my phone?
I don't got it.
I need it. That phone goes off. I gotta go. Not only that, how am I gonna go to bed at 10:30? I gotta go to the shop here in a half hour.
Okay.
Why can't I go to bed?
He has to go to bed in half. He has to go to work in half an hour. Okay. I think that should be pretty good.
My tablet dies off.
You should go to bed.
No.
I think Atravia, I don't know how to spell it, or say it right, but it'll increase the chances of band-aids and dan-aids spawning. So that's what we want. Three more times and then we die. Oh look, it already worked. Nope. I wonder... And I wonder if you know how it feels. Wonder how far we can take this. Main two problems is battery life and the time. Because the main reason I end up failing most of my runs is I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so late. I should just call quits and go to bed. Okay, they're both over there, so... One of them is likely to go around the wall and through that hallway over there, while the other will search the long area around the normal elevator. Or turn right around and bring it back over here. Oh, look! I think GG is probably the most annoying tune, because they can easily steal items, but it also makes you want to carefully pick how you pick up your inventory. Like, I probably... Where is it? Oh, okay. Like, I probably should have picked up the normal chocolate bar and then ate one of the sodas, so it was the last thing GG grabs. But now it'll be the first thing. I don't want to deal with Dandifer right now. Oh, we did everything. I guess we die this floor. Or we can survive 45 kills of it. Let's keep going. Let's see how far will this go until I die. Okay, so we have Roger research, so we'll have to make sure we don't accidentally pick up him. Well, with my ability, I could probably outspeed the confusion and stickiness. Ta-da! Snake. Take this. I'm slowly building up the best catalog of items for a blackout. Oh, Roger and Cosmo, this should be pretty easy. Why am I getting no skill check? It's just Cosmo, I should probably not have to worry. I'll just finish it off and run away. Okay, this is safe. This is good. It's very tempting to use the... Was it jumper cable? I need mostly main research right now. My eye has been really itchy right now. Bye. Where did they go? Whatever, I got stuff to do. I should probably eat some stuff to up my tapes. I don't know why eating ups your tapes. Are we just finding tapes taped to the items and only realize it's there after we use it? Like, oh, there was 3 tapes taped to this. Sure can't wait to grab that. And we're out of here. And they're gone. We're walking away. We have not found Roger yet, so I'm sure we'll probably find him soon. Normal. There he is. There's the guy. We're not gonna activate him for the funnies. We might do it over here. But grabbing this guy for the... Hold on, I want to try something. Pretty sure there's like... I thought there was a glitch to where you could see under the floor if you positioned yourself right. There was like a smushed up Roger. It seems like we can only see underneath the carpet now. They must have gotten rid of the glitch. Because you could also see Dandy. Oh, perfect. Right next to the machine. I mean, elevator. Hopefully we get a band-aid or something. I don't really need it. It's just nice to have around. Okay, screw it. I'm impatient. I'm impatient and I'm broke and I really could use some Ica right now. I could have probably went back and grabbed that candy bar, but I'm not risking. Oh, it's all gambling or get extra tapes. I'm gonna do gambling, I guess. What did I get? And I got, it came back. Oh my gosh. It came back. It's like, oh, you didn't want me? Too bad. Get it. Well, let's see, what do we got? We got Tegan. I already got Tegan as well. But I like their twisted form, so nice seeing her. Oh yeah, that brings me on to the topic of ships. As you should know, I have a sister. She'll probably be making an appearance on this channel soon. I already dislike this lore. Oh darn, hold on. Hold on. Okay, we should be safe here. But, guess what this alarm is for? Oh yeah, that's right. Hold on. Hold on, this is really important. Okay, I absolutely failed my thing. But, we got the thing. Oh yeah, look at that. We absolutely... I should probably just get the farm pass, but then you'll see my, my legal stuff. And I can't let you see my legal stuff, because that's my stuff. But I can tell you, I sell a lot of, useless items. There we go, some time off. Are we still good? Yeah, we're fine. Okay guys, hold on. I hope you can hear this music. And I also hope it's allowed to stream this. Heyday, please don't come after me for... Oh yeah. Look, I made this. I'm so proud of it. I'm gonna submit this soon. I'm probably just gonna add a few more things. And this video isn't gonna be out until after I submit it. I need 4 goat milk. Do we have 4 goats? No. Should probably get some more goats. Are we still safe? Yes. Okay. Hold on. Heyday needs it. We need to plant. I need this win. Hold on. We also need 3 fettuccine pies. Or feta. We'll be right back for this. But for now, let's get back to gaming. And probably check how much battery I have left. Okay, so the lady is coming over here. That is fine. Could probably work over here. Gum. Bandage! Oh, nice. Band-Aid. They had their, like, own, like, Princess and Tiana Band-Aid with, like, Sprout and, like, V or something on it. And there's not actually any dandy ones. He's just on the packaging for copyright reasons, I guess. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we want the bandage to be the last thing Gigi would grab, so we're gonna have to eat the cursed candy bar. And I am slowed. Never mind. Let's see how long we can keep this candy bar on ourselves. It's not cursed, it's good luck or something. That guy's gonna totally see us. Is he done? That is such a long range until he gives up. I know I just talked about how it's based on a timer and it ticks down depending on your stealth, but I got pretty far from him until he gave up. Isn't it kind of weird how Roger's his trinket is literally a magnifying glass when he himself is a magnifying glass? Isn't that just kind of weird? Well, slowness 3 is no joke. Oh my gosh, this is why I don't like Finn. Tegan is gonna be camping somewhere around the elevator. Oh, I guess my timing was off. Do you have anything good for me? Oh my goodness. We're taking it and we don't even have enough money for the second one. I am so sad. I just wasted the cursed thing. Oh my gosh, I am so embarrassed. How... Ah, man. I'm so disappointed in myself. I don't know why I keep checking this here. And we got it. I mean, it's the first thing we grab. Protein bar. What are you doing here? Oh, we got bright knee pops. This shouldn't be too hard. Remember, I say shouldn't. There's 2 right here, so we'll leave them for last. My hands are getting kind of tired from holding up my tablet. Okay, let's see. Okay. So we'll just hope. Yeah, Brittany's going down the hallway. So. It's a soda. It's a thing. Okay, here's a problem. I just realized. Okay, I'm seeing things now. The eject button I won't use until there's something really bad. Like, I don't know, no stamina on Astro or something. And the Band-Aid I won't use until I get hurt. And the protein bar, we don't get rid of the protein bar. It's come back like 3 times already. Oh man, I wish I could pick up these gumballs, but no. What was that? I have a feeling V would probably be banned from most cooking areas due to the whole no liquid things. Also, V and I think Finn, I don't think they get along much either, because Finn is quite literally just a fishbowl tilting everywhere and spilling water everywhere. I think Sprout and Cosmo would make a good duo. They're both baking buddies. Let me think. Dandy and Pebble is pretty obvious. I'm pretty sure Dandy is like Pebble's owner or something. I think, Brittany and Roger would be, like, reading buddies, maybe. I mean, maybe. I haven't seen much dialogue between the two. Maybe they absolutely despise each other for being on similar wavelengths. Oh my gosh, they both can. That's not good. Never mind, it doesn't really matter. Okay, Puppy, I need you to speed up. Thank you, and we can finish my thing. I think Toodles and Roger make a good duo. I know a lot of people see him as father and daughter, and I can't help but agree. But I feel like it's more of adoptive. I have no idea if these things are, considered an entire separate species, as we saw earlier. Why does Flutter have no mouth? They clearly do not talk. They have no mouth. I don't see it. You don't see it. No one sees it. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh my goodness. Let's just grab Spark Plug and cross our fingers. The next floor isn't blackout. We got Shrimpo. That guy's pretty easy. And we got 2 Shrimpos. Very, very nice. Do we have anything? There's another one. We could do it for the funnies. But, is there only Shrimpo on this floor? Oh my gosh. I've never actually seen Connie do anything. I guess I'll just have to camp finished machines, I suppose. Cause, oh look, they're immediately going towards my finished machine. Oh, okay, so they just make it red. But it doesn't actually count. I'm guessing, yeah, it's just red, and that's blue. So They make a rattling and then they go off once. Oh, and now they're sad. No one fell for their little trick. That's cool, I guess. It could be really disastrous if, yeah, Shrimpo's not coming. It could be really disastrous if they just keep going into that one machine. It could be really disastrous if you're in a big group and there's like one left and they just keep going in this machine and stealing everyone's hearts. Okay, now Connie. Now you have 2 machines to go inside of. Whoa, that's an upgrade. Upgrades, people, upgrades. That clip is originally from Robots, a movie. Where we don't know what happened to all the humans and all the animals, or if they even existed. It just went, oh, robots, they exist, and there's this evil guy that kinda wants to kinda kill everyone, so his mom can scrap everyone who isn't rich enough to buy upgrades, I guess. I don't think Shrimpo's coming. There's Connie. They might come over here. Do you think Shrimpo actually, like, knows about Connie? I'm very tempted to just... Okay, guys. We're just gonna... That was a disappointment, but now we can pick up another protein bar. They're just perpetually sad. Ta-da, you never knew I existed. And just a faint illusion. And you found me again. And you lost me again. Oh my gosh, uh-oh. Hold on. I'm gonna have to turn off recording. Split this up. Because this might get too big for my library. Hold on.